Hello beautiful people, welcome back to a fresh new video on my channel. As you can see, the background is completely different because I am at my parents' place, and few of the upcoming videos will be from the same place, so the background will be the same. Today I will be reviewing the book The Shiva Origins, The Son of Ganga by Dinesh. Now this is not a stand-alone book, but it is a series of two books. The second book is The Lost Legacy, but that's the upcoming one. So today I will be reviewing the first book only. So without further ado, let me acquaint you with the plot of this book. Now Abhay is a graduate he's studying in a college, and he is a very chirpy student, and he loves exploring new things. He loves to go on adventures, he loves mysteries, and this time, on the advice of his professor Jaipal, he goes out on search of a secret weapon that is hidden in the Saturagiri Hills, which is located at Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. Now he is also joined by two other people. One of them is an accomplice of Professor Jaipal, that is Ganesh, and the other person is his classmate Anisha. Now the trio, they go inside the Saturagiri Hills in order to find out the secret that is there, but they have to undergo lots of harsh situations in order to find out the secret. But there is also another person, the fourth person, that is Mayank, who also joins them but with evil intentions. Now this secret weapon has connected our Earth to another planet in the universe called Astra. Now the Yog Rudin, who has been introduced in this book, is an alien from that other planet Astra, and he tries to communicate with Abhay because there is an imminent danger that is coming towards the Earth, and it will destroy Earth at each and all cost. And it leaves Abhay perplexed and confused as how he can help the Yog Rudin. Now there is also another twist in this story, that is the treasure thieves are also introduced, who just loots the statues and the important treasures of the temples, and they just take them away from India and just sells them to all the clients around the world. Now the name of the evil is Ghora, but I can't say much about it because it will reveal the entire story of the book. So in order to find out, you need to read this book by yourself. Now coming to the writing style of this book, it's a very free flowing style, and it's very lucid and easy language. The most important thing is that there is not a single dull moment in this book. I mean, there are lots of informations about science, about yoga, about spirituality, and the scientific facts has amalgamated in a beautiful way with the fiction that the author has weaved. Now there is also a twist of a love story, there is war, there are some violence which will leave you aghast, and for me those 3000 pages just ended in a jiffy and I wanted for more. So I think that you will just love, if you just give it a try, then you will love reading this book. I mean, I will rate this book a 5 out of 5. So yeah, if you liked, I hope you liked this video and this review, and if you did, then do give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below if you have any suggestions. Reading between the lines, signing off for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, be happy and keep reading. Bye.